Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a video. How y'all doing? If y'all watching this video, this is a video, a quick little DIY to show y'all how I put my holes in my earrings. And then I'm going to show y'all another way that you can do it. It's a few ways you can do it. But so what I do, I take this right here. They call it a beater. It got a little sharp tip. This is how I've been doing it since I started making earrings. I always get the one with the sharp tip. And I just poke a hole through there. Now the thing about it, this might don't work for everybody. Because sometimes some wood, like I know it's like the smaller wood, it can crack. But I noticed like if it's gloss, it'll go through really easy. So that's how I put my holes through. See the hole? The next way you can do it. Okay, here we go. A piece of wood. This is about a 3.5 inch a piece of wood. It don't matter, but I'm just going to show y'all. I got this little drill right here from Amazon. And it comes, I'm going to put the whole kit. Y'all should see a picture right here. And I just stick this in here. I'm going to use the little one. So it's a little drill. And it runs by, you can, let me show you. It could be like that. Go turn it like that. Or you can take it back like this. And it could be like that. So I'm going to do it this way. The only thing you do, it charge up with a UBS charger, which comes with it. A whole kit comes with it. Y'all should see it. So I usually don't do it this way, but I want to give y'all other ways that you can put holes in. When this is pushed in right here, you see that? When it's pushed in this way, it just will push the hole right through real fast. And just pull it out. I will take a little piece of sandpaper and just kind of sand that. I'm just doing it with my fingers. I just do this on this. And then you got your clean hole. You see that? It's a clean hole. So you can do it that way, or you can do it the way that I showed you all with the little awl. I usually do it with the awl. You know, maybe in the future, I might use the drill more. I use this drill for a lot of different other things, creative-wise, but I just do this. Me personally, I think it would be more easier if you use the drill just to get a hole, or if you get your wood cut, you could just tell them to add the hole because they'll laser cut it. So hopefully this can help y'all putting the hole in your earrings. All right. Salam, salam. Don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Respect those that respect you. Adopt a pet from your local shelter or rescue. Donate to this channel, y'all. You see a little thanks button right at the end. Donate. You could donate as low as $1. I thank you all for your support and leave a beautiful comment. All right. Salam, salam.